Here is the LUTs preview and how it's look when you apply into your footages. So in this file, total 9 LUTs included you can use in your next video project. So let's check how to download this file. So here is the Gumroad link and you can download the complete file from here, and this is absolutely free. So if you can type here 0 and you can download from here. You want this, click on that button, or if you want to donate some money, so you can type the value and donate. That's it. And these are another sample files, so sample footages of my LUTs file. So anyway, let's start how to apply these LUTs and how to correct the settings. So here in Lumetri tab, you can access the LUTs from Creative tab, and yeah, you can see all the 9 LUTs, IPC LUTs. So just apply. Right now I applied the tonal LUTs. So the problem, some footages you have to adjust the lighting, so based on your footages, based on your lighting. So in this footage it's a little darker, so I just bring out the exposure and contrast and decrease the highlight value and just increase the shadows value to increase the lighting of this video. So sometimes you have to adjust your videos lighting like this, instead of just applying the LUTs. Anyway, you can try with different right now I'm applying the summer tonal V2, and you can apply different summer. So it's little warm and spring. It will bring out the green color more, and it's a little vibrant, and this is very smart means it's very clean and just increase the orange until version. And this is another smart V2, different LUTs. So these are basically a cinematic plus travel LUTs, so you can use these LUTs in your footages, in your YouTube videos and Instagram stories. So these are the basic things. And here you can apply the code. This is little dramatic, and yeah, tonal, and applying the same LUTs in different videos. Yeah, you can see how it's look. So if you are applying smart 2 in here, it's different. In here maybe you can apply the summer, it's little warm, it's little the Hollywood Jurassic Park style. And yeah, this is tonal V2. This look like orange until style. And here also you have to adjust some lighting. See, that's it. I think bring out exposure a little bit, and yeah, that's it. And here it's too dark, so first I have to increase the shadows and increase the contrast and bring out the exposure a little bit and increase the white also, and yeah, contrast. Sometimes yeah, this kind of setting you have to change based on your footages. So